All right, folks, it's Greg and Jan of Strange RV Tours. We are out at the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge Plaza at Lake Mead.
Strange RV Tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fit your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on the air.
Discover Hoover Dam, explore an American icon. Breaking the bottleneck. America's finest. Our old trucking company. Design decisions. Step-by-step process. All right, let's get on this baby.
Champion used to be like
Yes, this is the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. If you don't know, Pat Tillman was a highly rated football player coming out of college, and rather than pursue his dreams of being a full-time professional football player, he enlisted and went to fight in Iraq for our country and was actually killed by friendly fire. Very sad situation. The guy was set to make millions and millions of dollars in the NFL and gave up that to go fight for his country and sadly passed away.
This is all uphill.
Yep, it's all uphill from here.
Yeah, shortcut.
Yeah, let's take this shortcut as long as our legs can handle it.
Oh yeah. That'd be a lot better.
We say that now, after the first set.
Well, you go that way, it's like adding a mile.
Probably, huh?
I need a rebel. That way I can like, ride apart, up and down. Look at that. See all the power lines?
Wow.
Las Vegas over there.
Yeah. Beyond and far away over the mountain there. Sin City. This is our third hike today, and it feels like it.
Yeah. Oh, look. It's a hippo.
More information on the dam. I doubt you're going to be able to read this with the reflection in the glass, but
Cover that.
we will give it a shot. All right, let's get to seeing this rascal. Look at those drill bits, or I used to call them drill bits that they put into the canyon to shore it up. They tighten those down to hold the rock together in case of a crack or fracture, it doesn't collapse. Span the gap. Lay the path.
I had an uncle that used to be an engineer and do bridges all over the world.
Really?
Yep.
I didn't know that.
He's passed now. Oh my gosh.
Enjoy the ride.
We're not going to be able to hear very good up here.
No.
There was a construction worker named, last name was Jones, that died working on this bridge. I'm sure there was lots of injuries and stuff. This is hard work, man. I don't know how they did it.
Yeah, you can see how high these walls are. They're about 5 feet high. So when you're in a car, you can't see over these walls. So if you're planning on coming out to Las Vegas and you want to see Hoover Dam and you think you're going to see it from the bridge when you cross over it, no. Can't even see it in a truck. Here comes a truck now. We used to be truck drivers, and we used to cross this bridge all the time on our way out of town or coming back home, and you cannot see the dam from your truck.
You can feel the wind.
So like I said, if you're coming here and you want to see Hoover Dam, you're gonna have to take the road that goes down to the actual dam itself. I'll give you a little view of the dam real quick from up here. It's kind of getting shadowed. There we go. Before this bridge was built, they didn't have nearly the security here at the dam that they do now. And during the summers, late at night, if I couldn't sleep, I'd take my Harley Davidson, I'd get on a bike and I'd ride it out here to the dam, which was only about a 30-minute ride from where we lived. And I'd park. You can see there's a parking area right over there above the dam. I'd park there at midnight, 1 a.m. Bring me a soft drink, and I'd get out and I'd sit on those rocks and just look at the water. How peaceful it was. It was all lit up at night. I don't think they allow us to do that anymore. Let's see. It's a timeline for the building of the bridge.
It only took them 5 years.
Now, whenever a 18-wheeler comes across this bridge, I can actually feel the bridge move up and down. You see the buzzards up there. This is actually a really nice view of the dam.
Wow.
You see the water level up on top. See the white band around the rocks? That was all underwater. And Las Vegas has been going through about a 20-year drought. And you can see how low the water is now. I think it's about 60 or 70 feet below the water line where it was originally. But look at the height difference between Lake Mead, which is up on top, and then the Colorado River down below. If anything ever happened to this dam, whoever's downriver of it is in big trouble. We've taken a tour of the inside of the dam years ago. They actually take you down into the water release tunnels, and there's places inside of the dam when you're walking around where the walls are seeping water, where the water is actually broken through the walls or worked its way through the walls. And it's nothing to be overly concerned about from what I understand, but first time you've ever been down there, when you see that, it makes you start wondering just how secure you really are. Back during the construction of the dam, you see these wires coming across in front of the dam. They had a tram system where they would move employees, workers, concrete, tools, anything they needed, they could move across the dam on that tram.
I'm going to Arizona.
Yeah,
Coming?
yeah, about 100 feet you'll be in Arizona. We are almost standing dead center in the middle of the Colorado River. Now I'm gonna back this camera out so you can see just how far we really are away from the river, from the dam. I don't know if you can see this from here. Let me zoom back in. Before they built this bridge, this road right down here, which snakes through the canyon, you come down across here and you would literally drive right over the top of the dam, and when you reach the other side you're in Arizona, and then you make your way serpentine up that road back out of the canyon. They don't allow heavy trucks to pass over the dam anymore.
When they were doing construction, we had to go all the way down
Laughlin.
to Laughlin and go around to get back onto 40